Okey Long, Alhamdulillah.
Ya.
Kita baru je sampai di Shah Alam ni.
Dalam seksyen
Seksyen 7.
7.
Untuk apa benar?
Untuk majlis perasmian Kedai Emas Seri Semantan cawangan kelima di seksyen 7.
Seksyen 7 Shah Alam.
I was so far from you, yet to me you were always so close. I wandered lost in the dark. I closed my eyes to all the signs you put in my way. I walked every day further and further away from you. Ooh, Allah, you brought me home. I thank you with every breath I take. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never thought about all the things you have given to me. I never thanked you once. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step, and that's when you opened the doors for me. Now, Allah, I realize what I was missing by being far from you. And Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Allah, I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you.
Jangan lupa datang ke Kedai Emas Seri Semantan, Syurga Emas Pre-Love di Cawangan Shah Alam. Datang tau. Nombor 1 paling kaya.
Okey, saya Idris. Ini isteri saya.